In the evolving landscape of industrial engineering, efficiency is paramount for success and growth. TBG Solutions, a trusted name for over 20 years, faced a major internal challenge. With crucial processes stuck in outdated spreadsheets, transformation became essential for the company's success. The introduction of a cloud-based MRPeasy software signaled a new dawn for TBG's operations. Lead times stretched, parts were frequently reordered, and the need for a robust solution was undeniable. Production manager Jonathan Pym recognized that the right manufacturing software could reverse these trends. After evaluating options, MRPeasy emerged as the ideal partner for TBG's unique requirements. The implementation journey, though lengthy, was a game-changer for internal processes and efficiency. With streamlined BOM management capabilities, TBG can adapt designs on the fly. Today, TBG Solutions thrives under optimized stock control, ready to embrace future challenges ahead.